What's going on, guys? Crypto Renegade here again with another video for you, and in today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing / review on the SafePal Cypher. This is a brand new metal recovery seed backup device that SafePal went ahead and sent me for review purposes. So we'll go ahead and jump into it. I'll take a look at how this sort of compares and what my first impressions are versus some of the other metal recovery seed backups, and then we'll touch on the price and then my overall thoughts. So go ahead and stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss this one. All right, guys, welcome back. So today we're looking at the SafePal Cypher. This is a metal recovery seed backup device, and so far my first impressions are the packaging actually is done very well. Very high quality. It's got some very good texture to it. I'm just acknowledging that for the fact that some boxes are sort of cheap and flimsy, and they definitely didn't cheap out on the rigidity or the quality of the box, which is really interesting. As you can see here, there are 2 stickers for security and making sure it was never tampered with or it was ever opened in the past, and it's a holographic tape, so it's very difficult to replicate. And then on the back here indicates that some of the key bullet points, which is fireproof, water resistant, anti-corrosion, and 304 grade stainless steel, which is the same type of metal that's used also in the Kobo tablet, and then also the original Crypto Steel cassette. So let's go ahead and open it up, and then we will take a look. Okay, very nice. Comes in a very nice packaging. Weighs about 1.5 pounds, maybe 2 pounds. As you can see, the metal here is very shiny and has the SafePal logo on it. And then there is a hole here for a padlock if you want to go ahead and keep that padlocked as well so that no one can access the internals. And then if you slide it open here, it has the ability for you to stick in the first 4 words in the tiles. And I just want to clarify that when you're doing a 12 or 24 word recovery seed phrase, if you're new to this, you only need the first 4 letters of each word to auto populate it when you're actually going through the recovery process on any sort of software or hardware wallet. So I just wanted to make that clear that this is designed to specifically only fit the first 4 letters of each recovery seed word that you have. If you flip it over here, you have the remaining numbers here and all the way through 24. So it supports up to 12 words and then 24 words on the back. And then as you can see, it closes shut here. I'll be honest, this looks very similar to the Kobo tablet in terms of the quality, in terms of the design, and that is a metal recovery seed backup that I like and that I actually use. So this is actually very well done. The price on this device right now is going for $44.99 US, so very similar in price to the Kobo tablet, not very far off. And then if we take a look at what else is in the box here, if I pull out this, it is going to have the little Allen wrench here, and this is to undo the tools, undo the screws here so that you can gain access to the inside of the plates and insert your tiles. It looks like it comes with a user manual, and then it gives a QR code to download the SafePal wallet. It also has the holographic stickers as well if you want to reseal the box, and then some SafePal stickers as well. And in here we have the word tiles. Now in the word tiles here, it gives obviously everything A through Z that's required here. These are individually wrapped. I know it's hard to see on the camera, but these are individually wrapped, so you would need to peel off the plastic on each one. But again, this is extremely similar, dare I say identical to the Kobo tablet in terms of way they do. And obviously what you'll do here is you'll just punch out the specific tiles that you need on each of these 4 plates here. And then what you'll do is you'll use this little Allen wrench tool here. You'll unscrew each of these, and then you'll slide in the tiles in the exact order. As you can see, it's numbered 1 through 12 on this side, and then 13 through 24 on this side. So overall, this is a great presentation, very high quality. I'm going to show you in a future video coming up very, very soon here. I'm going to light one of these on fire and put it to the test. So I'm really excited to do that and show you guys how it works in the wild under extreme circumstances. So stay tuned for that video. But you know, in this particular case, I'd say the overall quality is very comparable to Crypto Steel cassette, as well as I said the Kobo tablet again before. You know, it's going to be tough to say if this is sort of better or worse. It really looks like it's made out of the same material. It's made out of the same type of metal. It's very well polished. It's very sleek. Size of a credit card, so very well done. And I do like that they did put in the hole punch here so that you could put in a padlock to secure it as well if need be. So this is really interesting. You know, this is sort of the old school cassette types device here, unlike the newer punch options and even the Crypto Tag Thor, where you actually have a hammer where you can embed it. You know, and those are more high-end premium devices with stronger metal. But overall, I'd say this is a good value. I'll go ahead and leave a link down below in the description so you guys can check it out if this is something that you're interested in. And I know that if you're buying a SafePal hardware wallet as well, they do give bundle deals and discounts as well. But overall, this is looking pretty sleek. I'm very impressed. And like I said, I'm going to do a future video here in the next few weeks where I actually put this to the test with fire, with some acid and some other things to see how durable this really is. So I'm excited to show you that. Comes with everything that you need. Obviously, I don't need any other tools. The one tool that you really do need is just this tiny Allen wrench, and it comes embedded in the packaging. So overall, I'd say that this is a pretty good device, pretty comparable to the other hardware metal recovery seed backups that I've used and seen in the past. So so far, I'd recommend it just based on my initial first impressions, but I'm really going to do a part 2 to this video and show you how it withstands actual fire, take a flame torch to it and do some other tests to see how durable these things really are. But overall quality looks fantastic and comes with everything you need directly in the box. So if you have any questions or comments or concerns, go ahead and let me know. And I will go ahead and see you guys in this next video. If you click in the top right of your screen, I'll go ahead and put up the comparison of the Kobo tablet unboxing and review so you can see kind of how this one compares, because they are very similar. And I will see you guys in that next video. Crypto Renegade out.